What if one day could change your entire life? Taurus. August 23rd is not just any date. This is the moment you have been secretly waiting for. A strange sign will appear, but you will only see it if you are looking. Some people will ignore it and remain trapped in their situation. But if you see it and act immediately, your life can change from suffering to success. Money, opportunities, a silent blessing for a select few. This is no joke. This is the moment the universe is whispering. Taurus, this is your time. Will you accept it or let it pass you by again? The universe is not shouting. It is whispering. And Taurus, where is it whispering now? Can you feel it? A quiet energy is slowly building, as if something big is about to happen, but you don't know what. August 23rd holds a secret. This is not just a lucky date. This is a divine sign only for those who are ready to receive. Many people are praying for change. But not everyone listens when the answer comes. This video is not just for entertainment. This is a spiritual message. If you are a Taurus or even have Taurus energy in your chart, this message is for you. There is a sign that will appear. It may be small, ordinary, or seemingly strange. But it will lead you to wealth if you follow it. Stay in the video until the end. You don't want to miss out on whatever is coming. Message from the universe. The truth is, the universe always speaks to us not in powerful moments but in quiet moments. In Filipino culture, we call it a dream, a whisper of heaven, or sometimes a guide of destiny. It comes at a time when we least expect it, in a normal conversation, a strange dream, a repeated number seen, or a sudden thought while looking. In heaven, August 2nd and 25 are full of energy. This is not an ordinary month, especially for books and spirits. And this month, August 23rd, stands out as the day when the spiritual portal opens for Taurus. Why Taurus? Because you have been waiting for a long time. You have shown patience. You have worked even when the outcome was uncertain. You have trusted even when there was no clear change. And now the universe is preparing something behind the scenes. A change, a divine arrangement that will bring wealth, success, and progress only to those who can see the sign. Most do not notice it. They are busy, confused, sitting in doubt, but you are here for a deep reason. Your soul brought you here because something is being formed. Something that can change the direction of your life. Wealth does not always come loudly. Sometimes it comes quietly, hidden behind a decision, a moment, or even a delay. The question is, will you recognize it when it comes? It is not a sign. It is spiritual timing. The universe moves in cycles, and August 23rd is part of a rare alignment where Taurus is in the energy of abundance. You may feel something special that day. That you want to go somewhere. Talk to someone. Open a message. Don't ignore it. Maybe that moment brings the treasure your soul has been praying for. And don't tell everyone how you feel. It is a silent blessing. Not everyone will understand it, and it is not for everyone. This message is given to you as a reminder. Be aware. Be quiet. August 23rd is not just a date, it is a point of change, and Taurus, you are at the center of it. Focus on the zodiac energy of Taurus this August. Taurus, you are known for your steadfast strength and deep patience. Unlike others who are impulsive and prone to sudden danger. You prefer to build your success slowly, like laying bricks one by one until the foundation is solid. It can be frustrating at times because the results don't come immediately. But that's your secret power, your resilience. In Filipino culture, it reflects the spirit of perseverance and perseverance. The virtue of perseverance and hard work that is valued by many. But this August, your usual patience will be tested. There is a strange energy around you. The impact is subtle but clear. The stubborn nature of Taurus may prompt you to resist these changes. But this is not the time to cling to the usual. Instead, it is time to embrace the subtle signs and new possibilities. Your earth element serves as the foundation. Your perspective is practical and reasonable. But on August 23rd, you are invited to listen to the spiritual aspect of wealth. That means listening to your intuition more than ever. Pay attention to the small signs around you. A word uttered by a stranger, a peaceful feeling in prayer, or a sudden inspiration in the middle of the day. Many Tauruses struggle with money not because they lack diligence but because they are imprisoned by the fear of losing. This fear is what keeps them from taking the plunge or opening the door to abundance. The energy of August encourages you to let go of that fear. The universe has a path prepared for them, but only for those who are willing to trust. Think about the value of trusting God in Filipino culture. This is what August 23rd will symbolize for you as a spiritual moment of trust. A time when you need to believe even without immediate proof. You may feel the need to make a financial decision, accept help, or start a project that you have been putting off for a long time. This is the universe testing your readiness. Don't be surprised if you find yourself thinking deeply during this time. You may be asking yourself, what does wealth really mean to me? Is it just money or peace of mind, family security, and personal growth? The energy of this time invites you to look at wealth as a whole, emotional, spiritual, and material. Remember, Taurus, your zodiac sign is ruled by Venus, the planet of beauty, love, and value. This gives you a natural ability to attract good things. But you need to nurture this blessing by being open to change. The sign on August 23rd will be your signal to finally open the door to abundance. In Filipino tradition, receiving signs is often referred to as guidance from heaven. Be prepared to receive this guidance quietly. Be critical, do not rush. The sign may be simple, but it is enough to change your path to greater wealth and happiness. The sign of wealth, event on August 23rd. August 23rd is not just any day on the calendar. For Taurus, it carries a secret message. A secret signal from the universe that is meant just for you. This day acts as a spiritual crossroads. A moment when the universe aligns to send you a sign of wealth that can change your life forever. But this sign does not always come with noise or a loud reminder. Often, it comes quietly, gently like a whisper that only those who are truly aware and willing to listen can hear. In Filipino culture, we often hear about signs, guides in times of doubt. These signs can come in many forms. A dream that seems so real. A word spoken by a stranger that you will never forget. Or strange occasions that seem meaningful but are difficult to explain. For Taurus, the sign of wealth on August 23rd may appear in one or more of these ways. Imagine waking up that day, feeling a strange silence inside you. Or perhaps repeatedly you may see numbers like 8 and 88 or Dal and 22. Numbers associated with abundance and balance in various spiritual beliefs. You may hear someone suddenly speak about an opportunity, or your attention may be drawn to a place or message that you would normally ignore. This is the universe's way of saying, be alert. This is your moment. The important thing is to be alert but calm. Don't rush into it because of excitement. Instead, watch and feel your surroundings. It's not about making a sudden decision, but about recognizing the right door when it quietly opens. Many Tauruses miss this because they are hoping for a grand sign. But often, the most powerful signs are hidden in simple things. August 23rd may also bring a sudden insight while you are praying or meditating. An idea, feeling, or belief that gently pushes you towards a new opportunity. It could be an idea for a project, an invitation, or a message from a loved one that re-inspires. This moment will have a strange feeling like calm confidence that the universe seems to be saying, everything is in place for you. But be careful if you ignore this sign. You may have to wait another year for a similar opportunity. The timing of the universe is precise but rare. The wave of abundance that will begin on August 23rd will not last forever. And if you are not ready to act, you may miss the miracle you have been waiting for. In Filipino tradition, we call this the time of grace. The time of blessing that comes only to those who know it. When you see the sign, respond to it with faith and silence. This is the time to move from waiting to receiving. Taurus, this sign of wealth has been prepared by the universe especially for you because it knows the contents of your heart and what you have been through. It is not just about money. It is about changing your energy, perspective, and opening a new chapter of abundance and peace. So on August 23rd, be ready, be quiet, be critical, and above all everyone stay hopeful. The sign of wealth is coming. Are you ready to follow it? Spiritual steps. Now that you know that August 23rd brings a powerful sign of wealth for you. Taurus. The question is, how do you prepare to receive it? How can you ensure that when the universe sends a silent message, you are ready to listen, understand, and act? In Filipino culture, spiritual preparation is often done through simple rituals with deep meaning. These practices help to quiet the mind, open the heart, and deepen our feelings. So we are more open to the subtle messages of the universe. Here are some spiritual steps you can take as August 23rd approaches. 1. Silent prayer every night. Every night before August 23rd, take a quiet moment after sunset, preferably around 8 or 9 p.m., to pray. It doesn't have to be long. A heartfelt conversation is enough. To God or the universe. This is a prayer of supplication. A clear and open heart to receive the sign of wealth. In the Filipino tradition, this prayer is done with deep faith and humility that creates a sacred space within you. 2. Light a candle. Lighting a candle is a powerful symbol in many Filipino homes. It symbolizes hope, faith, and enlightenment. Light a white or green candle every night while you pray. These colors are associated with purity and abundance. As the candle burns, imagine it illuminating your path so that you can more easily see and follow the sign. 3. Meditate or use deep breathing. Set aside 1 to 2 minutes each day for meditation or simply focusing on your breathing. This quiet practice helps to quiet the mind and bring attention back within yourself. When your mind is calm, you will be able to more easily notice small feelings or inspirations, messages that are often overshadowed of the noise of everyday life. 4. Record signs and dreams. Filipinos have great respect for dreams and signs as messages from the spiritual world. Keep a small notebook by your bed. Write down any dreams, numbers, or unusual events that you notice, especially as August 23rd approaches. As you observe, patterns may emerge that will help you see the connection between everything. 5. Be open without anxiety. One of the most difficult but important steps is to stay open without being nervous or rushed. Trust that the sign will come at the right time and in the right way. Anxiety or desperation can prevent you from recognizing the message. 6. Quietly share your purpose. You may also choose to share your purpose with a trusted person, family member, or caring friend. Sometimes they can also help confirm what you are feeling. Remember, Taurus, these are not magical incantations but ways to prepare your spirit and mind. Grace flows more to those who have space within them for it to flow. Accept. The universe respects patience and faith. So as August 23rd approaches, let these simple rituals serve as your guide. Your silent preparation to receive the blessing that has long been in store for you. Final warning or encouragement. Taurus. This message carries a promise and a warning. The universe is giving you a rare opportunity to propel your life towards abundance. But it is not for everyone. Not everyone who waits will receive. Not everyone who hopes will be chosen. In Filipino culture, we often say, "Don't let opportunity pass you by." And that is exactly what August 23rd represents, a door that opens and then closes just as quickly. If you ignore the signs or dismiss them as omens or superstition, you may miss the opportunity you have been waiting for to finally break free from suffering. This is a moment of quiet courage. You need to believe not only in the signs but also in yourself. Trust that your patience and hard work will pay off. Trust your heart knows what to do even when the mind is confused. Many Tauruses face trials because of hesitation or fear of change. But the message of the universe is clear. Now is your time. The wealth that will come is not just money. It is peace of mind, stability for the family, and a new beginning. Remember, blessings often come in simple forms: a quiet conversation, an unexpected opportunity, or a feeling from the depths of your being. When you listen quietly, you will hear the call. And when you hear it, do not be afraid to step forward. This is your spiritual invitation to receive the blessing that has long been reserved for you. So prepare your heart, Taurus. Be alert but calm. Be books but strong. This is the opportunity you have been praying for. And if you accept it, your life will never be the same again. The universe is watching you. Are you ready to respond? Taurus, if you feel this message deep in your heart, do not keep it to yourself. Share it with your family and friends, especially to your fellow Taurus. Sometimes the universe speaks to us through other people. If you are ready to receive this blessing, write in the comments below, "I am ready." Remember, wealth is not just about money. It is about the peace, security, and happiness that comes with it. It is about opening a new chapter in your life where abundance flows freely. This August 23rd, be observant, be patient, and above all be a box. The sign will come, but only for those who are truly ready to see it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video touched your spirit, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss the next message from the universe for you. May the silent message of the heavens bless you. This is it, Taurus. Don't waste it.